Hello once again. Today we present the propane compact full inverter chiller, specifically the MWWFD2082 for refrigeration at medium temperature with a low charge of propane and high energetic efficiency. In this case we have got two semi-hermetic compressors of 40 horsepower that are in independent circuits, so we have got a high durability. On the safety side, we have got a gas leak detector of propane that is in communication with the module that in case of exceed a certain level of propane in the air will cut off the equipment. The key factor of this technology is the use of a VFD, a variable frequency driver, in each compressor. So it's allowed us to vary the speed according to the demand in each moment. On the condenser side, we have got microchannel coil with polyester powder coating treatment that we combine with axial electronic fans that we are able to vary the airflow through the condenser to adapt the heat transfer demand. On the low pressure side, we have got electronic expansion valve that regulates the mass flow of the refrigerant through the circuit. In addition, we have got a plate heat exchanger as evaporator made of stainless steel. As an option, we can assemble the chiller with a hydraulic pump set that is designed for the pressure and glycol flow demand required in the installation. Here we can see also the glycol inlet and the glycol outlet of the chiller, and furthermore the inlet and outlet of the water of the heat recovery condenser in this system. In short, the propane compact full inverter chiller is an advanced technological solution for medium and high temperature for the modern industry. Thank you so much, and please contact with us for information and details about the product or any technical advice for your refrigeration projects.